Hey guys, welcome back to Time Machine Scale Models with another episode of Wayback Wednesday. Today we're going to look back on AMT's 1967 four-door Impala from the popular TV show Supernatural. As we all know, the car is lovingly referred to as Baby. And although I didn't go that route, I think it still looks pretty good. So let's take a look at it. The first thing you're going to notice is that it's not black. It is a deep jewel green metallic by Duplicolor. It has a 1K Raptor clear coat. The interior is also body color, but it's got a dull coat on it. Let's take a look under the hood. Pretty basic, but it is wired and plumbed. Just went for that stock look. Let's take a look at the chassis. Chassis is satin black color. The exhaust is painted in a combination of flat steel and aluminum. And it has chrome tips painted up with Molotow chrome pen. Bare metal foil was used on all the trim. Molotow chrome pen was used on the door handles. Now originally I was going to do this as Baby. I was going to open up the trunk, I was going to use the kit decals, and I was going to fashion the weapons that they use on the show. But then I decided to go a different route. My daughter bought me this kit for Christmas. She knew that I was a fan of Impalas, and she knew I was a fan of the show. And my wife picked the color. I think it came out pretty good. Well guys, that's all I've got for this episode of Wayback Wednesday. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.